10 things your dog understands about you. Your dog knows you better than most humans. Here are 10 surprising things they understand. 1. They know when you're sad. 2. They understand your tone. 3. They know when you're stressed. 4. They memorize your daily habits. 5. They know when you're about to leave. 6. They sense sickness. 7. They feel your energy. 8. They know who you like and don't like. 9. They understand gestures. 10. They know when you love them. Dogs are truly family. Thanks for watching.